Hey y'all. All right. I'm outside out here working on the dually today. The 94 Dodge Ram 3500. Big booty Trudy. And let me flip the camera around. Let me show you what's going on. Okay, I paid a visit to my local salvage yard and I got this. It wasn't this clean. I had to do a lot of cleaning on it to get it painted up and make it look nice. So, painted up the back side there, right there, as you can see. And getting that cleaned up and everything, that's helped a lot. Getting it painted. I usually do that on bumpers because the chrome plating here on the back side isn't as good as it is on the front side. And I'm going to replace the back bumper and I'm going to replace the front bumper. And let me show you this. So here we go. All right, here we are. Here's the front bumper. As you can see, I got that painted up, looking pretty good there. And I just painted it with that and some primer, etching primer and some filler primer, and then some Rust-Oleum, and that's pretty much it. That's what I did on that one out there. The back bumper I just showed you out there, it's much more rusted. Yeah, there was a lot more rust pitting on this one. And I'll show you why I'm replacing these. You can see this one's got a hole in it right there and a dent. And we got a dent right here in this one. And it's pushed that way just a little bit. Which it's contacted the body right there. Bed. So there we go, there's that. This front one, why is it getting replaced? Because of this big honking dent right there, which it took an impact right here on this side and damaged everything over here. This fender is pretty well, trashed, which we knew this when we bought it. We were going to have to replace this fender, and it had an impact. It also there's a dent right here. Yeah, you can see it right there. You can see the bumper broke. The metal literally broke right there. And there's signs of a bend right there. So yeah, this bumper is coming off today. So is the back one. And I think this is hilarious. This is the extent. This is why I am doing this today. Is you see the horns in there? They've got rust on them. They're rusted through. It's hilarious. They still work though. That's what's even funnier. They still work, so it's kind of, crazy. Anyway, I've got new horns too for this. I got a new radiator brace also. I did pretty good on all this. I went over to Lambert's in Knoxville, Tennessee. Got all this, the bumpers, this, all for like 100, and the horns all for like $140. So not too shabby, I guess. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna get busy. I'll show you something here. Right there's one of the mounting bolts right there. Down there. My camera does not want to focus. Let's see. Yeah, you see it better right there. Yeah, it looks like it's been on the bottom of the ocean. The other one over here is just as bad. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's down there. It's just as bad. It's pretty bad. It's pretty crappy. So Yeah, there we go. The top ones here seem to be coming loose, and I'll work on them. I'm going to have to cut those bottom ones off just completely and say forget it. I'm not going to get them off. I'm not going to wrestle with them all day either. So I've been soaking these in penetrating lubricant for 2-3 days now. So anyway, all right, I'm going to take y'all along, and we're going to get this done, and we're going to see a bit of a transformation on these, on the front end and on the back end of this truck. So anyway, okay, here we go. All right. Let's see. I'm just going to pause this for just a minute. All right, so I've got this one, this bolt here undone. The bumper's kind of got the bolt in a bind, but here's the nut that came off of it. So, and I'm going to take 5 strips and put them on this one here because I've got it backed off quite a bit, but I can't keep it held in. See, hold on just a minute, be right back. So I'm back. I got pry bar. I'm getting this bolt pried out here. I hope my bumper brackets are in good shape because that other front bumper, I don't hardly have any brackets with it. I was on a time crunch when I went and got that bumper, the newer bumpers. Okay, had to pull on that, but see, you see the square hex there at the bottom? Well, the bumper has a similar hex. You can also see when I pulled that out, the bumper shifted this way. So, yeah, this bumper's not that great. Been making do with it for the past couple of years, and got the opportunity to get some bumpers, so I went and did it. All right, I'm gonna carry on and show you the results here in just a minute. Be right back. Anyway, y'all, gotta go see about the family. Little interruption, no big deal. Gonna go take care of that, and I'll be right back in just a minute. All right, bye-bye. Come back for part 2.